Hi there! Whether we're joining an organization or leaving one, sometimes we need to update our organization information that's on file with Jamf. We can often do this ourselves directly in Jamf account. So let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to add, change, or remove your organization in Jamf account. After logging into Jamf account with your Jamf ID, navigate to Profile, Organization. Here we can see that I'm not currently assigned to an organization. To add or change an organization that we're assigned to, click Change. If you don't have Jamf Pro, don't have access to your Jamf Pro activation code and billing zip code, or your Jamf ID email domain isn't shared by anyone else on the account, you won't be able to assign yourself to an organization. If this is the case, we can reach out to support for assistance by clicking Create Support Ticket, or request to be invited by a member of our organization that has the organizational administrator role in Jamf account. If we do have the required information, select the button next to I own Jamf Pro and know my activation code. From here, we can add our Jamf Pro activation code and the postal code of our organization's billing address to the required fields. After making sure everything is correct, click Verify. When successfully verified, we are automatically logged out and need to log back in to see the changes. With our account successfully linked, an admin on our organization's Jamf account can update our user privileges to get us access to our organization's assets. To leave an organization, navigate to Profile, Organization. On the bottom, we have the option to remove me from this organization. Before we're removed, we're given a warning letting us know that by leaving an organization, we'll lose access to all of the organization's assets, including activation codes and training passes. If we're sure we want to leave, click Remove, and we're automatically logged out of Jamf account and removed from the organization. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to support for assistance. Thanks for watching.